Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming whether your iPhone 14 needs a physical SIM versus an eSIM. This matters because many regions use eSIM by default. Once confirmed, power off the phone and remove any case so nothing obstructs the tray. Use the eject tool or a straightened paperclip. Position it perpendicular into the tiny hole on the right edge and press gently but firmly. This opens the tray. Make sure the tray is fully out before lifting it to avoid bending the mechanism. Now you place the Nano SIM into the tray with the gold contacts facing down and the cut corner aligned to the tray shape. That orientation prevents misalignment and poor contact. Avoid using adapters or forcing larger SIMs because adapters can warp contacts and cause read errors. Once the SIM sits flat and clean, check for lint. A soft brush removes particles. Then reinsert the tray straight in, not angled, and push evenly until it clicks flush with the frame to ensure a reliable connection. Finish by powering the iPhone 14 on and waiting for the carrier signal or the activation prompt. This confirms the SIM is recognized and registered. If you see no signal, power down, eject the tray, and reseat the SIM. Sometimes a tiny shift prevents contact. Inspect the SIM for scratches or bent contacts and confirm your carrier supports the device or requires provisioning. If the phone lacks a physical SIM slot or activation still fails, switch to eSIM settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.